Hi everyone and welcome to WealthWise. Today we're diving deep into the emotional core of money. Imagine this. Sarah, a young woman with dreams as big as the city skyline, finds herself drowning in a sea of debt. The weight of unpaid bills, student loans, and credit card statements suffocates her. Fear, a relentless current, pulls her further into despair. Sarah's story, though fictional, reflects the harsh reality many young professionals face today. This is where the psychology of money comes in. It's not just about numbers and spreadsheets, it's about understanding the why behind our financial decisions. Join us as we follow Sarah's journey, witnessing her struggles, breakthroughs, and ultimately, her journey toward financial peace. Now let's dive into Sarah's story. Sarah had always been a dreamer. Growing up in a working-class family, she yearned for a different life, one filled with opportunities and financial security. Her parents, though financially limited, instilled in her the importance of education. Fueled by their unwavering support and her own ambition, Sarah excelled in school. She secured a scholarship and got accepted into a prestigious university, a feat that filled her family with immense pride. However, the weight of their sacrifice settled heavily on her young shoulders. She vowed to repay their love and dedication by achieving financial success, by giving them the comfortable life they deserved. Driven by this promise, Sarah pursued a demanding but lucrative career path. But with her newfound financial freedom came a dangerous trap, the allure of lifestyle inflation. As Sarah climbed the corporate ladder, she found herself surrounded by colleagues who seemed to effortlessly navigate a world of wealth and privilege. Their casual conversations about weekend getaways, designer purchases, and investment portfolios fueled a growing sense of inadequacy within her. She fell into the dangerous trap of comparison, a psychological pitfall that distorts our perception of success and happiness. Social media only amplified this feeling. Every scroll through Instagram unveiled a curated reality of exotic vacations, luxury cars, and seemingly effortless affluence. Sarah, bombarded by these images of perfect lives, felt increasingly inadequate, her own achievements paling in comparison. This constant comparison fueled a relentless desire to keep up, to prove that she too belonged in this world of wealth and success. However, each purchase, while momentarily satisfying, only deepened her financial hole and intensified her feelings of anxiety and inadequacy. Comparing her own journey to others' carefully curated highlight reels only fueled her insecurities and prevented her from appreciating her own accomplishments and progress. Desperate to break free from the suffocating grip of debt and fueled by the desire for quick financial gains, Sarah fell prey to the allure of get-rich-quick schemes. She stumbled upon an online advertisement promising incredible returns on investments with minimal risk. Blinded by the desire for a quick fix, Sarah ignored the nagging voice of caution in her head. She didn't bother to research the company's background or consult with a financial advisor. The allure of escaping her financial burdens and achieving the life she felt she deserved was too strong to resist. She invested a significant portion of her savings, hoping to finally break free from the chains of debt. However, her hope was short-lived. The company turned out to be a sophisticated scam, preying on individuals like Sarah, desperate for a financial miracle. The weight of her financial mistakes felt heavier than ever. Devastated and disillusioned, Sarah hit rock bottom. She realized she had been living beyond her means, chasing a lifestyle that wasn't truly hers. This realization, though painful, marked a turning point in Sarah's journey. She knew she had to take control of her finances to rebuild her life from the ground up. Sarah decided to confront her problems head-on. She reached out to a financial advisor, a decision that filled her with a mix of anxiety and hope. The advisor helped Sarah create a realistic budget, one that prioritized her needs over her wants. Sarah moved into a smaller apartment, sold her expensive car, and started cooking meals at home instead of dining out. These changes, though initially difficult, brought a sense of liberation. Embracing frugality wasn't about deprivation, it was about aligning her spending with her values. Sarah realized that true wealth wasn't about accumulating material possessions, but about achieving financial freedom, the freedom to make choices that aligned with her passions and purpose. With the help of her financial advisor, Sarah crafted a debt repayment plan. She consolidated her loans, negotiated lower interest rates, and diligently made extra payments whenever possible. The process was slow and arduous, requiring immense discipline and patience. There were moments of doubt, times when the weight of her debt felt overwhelming. However, Sarah reminded herself that financial freedom was a marathon, not a sprint. She celebrated small victories along the way, every debt payment made, every dollar saved. These small wins fueled her motivation and reinforced her commitment to the long game of financial responsibility. As Sarah diligently chipped away at her debt and made consistent progress towards her financial goals, a profound shift occurred within her. The constant anxiety and fear that had haunted her for years began to dissipate, replaced by a newfound sense of peace and control. She was no longer defined by her financial mistakes but empowered by her journey toward financial freedom. This newfound freedom wasn't just about the numbers in her bank account. It was about the freedom from the shackles of comparison, the relentless pursuit of more, and the societal pressures that had driven her into debt in the first place. Sarah realized that true wealth wasn't about amassing an exorbitant amount of money, but about having enough to cover her needs, pursue her passions, and live a life filled with purpose and meaning. This realization was incredibly liberating. It allowed Sarah to redefine success on her own terms, free from the expectations of others. Her focus shifted to experiences, relationships, and personal growth, things that truly brought her joy and fulfillment. Her relationship with money had fundamentally changed. Let's pause Sarah's story for a moment and bring in a new voice. We need to look upon what a professional therapist said, while shedding light on the psychological concepts we've witnessed in Sarah's journey. Sarah's story is incredibly relatable. Many individuals struggle with the emotional and psychological aspects of money. We often form deep-seated beliefs about money during childhood, influenced by our family dynamics, socioeconomic background, and early experiences. For Sarah, her parents' emphasis on education as a means to escape financial struggle created a deep-seated belief that financial success was the key to repaying their sacrifices. Furthermore, Sarah's experiences highlight the powerful influence of social comparison. This constant comparison can fuel overspending, debt, and a never-ending cycle of dissatisfaction. The key is to develop a healthy and balanced relationship with money. Returning to Sarah's journey, we see how her transformed relationship with money extended beyond her own life. As she gained control of her finances and experienced the liberating freedom of enough, a new desire blossomed within her, the desire to give back. Sarah realized that true wealth wasn't just about accumulating money, but about using it to make a positive impact on the world. She began by volunteering her time at a local financial literacy program for young adults. Sharing her story, with all its vulnerabilities and triumphs, she hoped to empower others to make informed financial decisions and avoid the mistakes she had made. She found immense fulfillment in mentoring others, witnessing their own journeys toward financial empowerment. Inspired by the impact she was making, Sarah decided to take her generosity a step further. She made a significant donation to her parents, fulfilling her long-held promise to provide for them. Sarah's journey beautifully illustrates the ripple effect of generosity. Years later, we find Sarah in a completely different place, both financially and emotionally. She has paid off her debts, built a solid financial foundation, and is living a life filled with purpose and meaning. She is no longer driven by the fear of scarcity or the need to impress others, but by the desire to align her actions with her values. Sarah's story is a powerful reminder that financial peace is attainable, one decision at a time. It's about making conscious choices that align with our values, prioritizing long-term well-being over instant gratification, and cultivating a healthy relationship with money. Her journey underscores the importance of seeking support when needed, whether from financial advisors, therapists, or trusted mentors. We don't have to navigate the complex world of money alone. There are resources and individuals available to guide and support us along the way. True wealth is not measured by the number in our bank accounts, but by the richness of our lives. The love we share, the impact we make, and the legacy we leave behind. Thank you for joining us on this emotional journey through the psychology of money. Remember, your financial journey is uniquely yours. It's shaped by your experiences, your values, and your aspirations. Don't let the noise of societal pressures or the allure of instant gratification dictate your financial decisions. Embrace the power of knowledge, seek support when needed, and remember that financial peace is a journey, not a destination. If you found this exploration insightful, we encourage you to delve deeper into the concepts discussed in The Psychology of Money. And don't forget to subscribe to WealthWise for more empowering content on personal finance, investing, and building a life of wealth and purpose. Until next time, keep striving, keep learning, and keep building the financial future you deserve.